What's up everybody? Welcome back to another recipe video. I'm Shinichi.
I'm Satoshi.
And today Satoshi is going to be making something for all of us. Today is actually a ramen hack. Instant ramen hack.
Instant ramen hack. Today I'm gonna make ramen katsu. No, katsu ramen. No, ramen katsu.
Which is it? What?
I think you have heard the katsu ramen. The tonkatsu on top of ramen.
Yeah.
Or
Yes,
beef
yes,
cuts
yes.
on top of ramen.
Right.
But today it's not. It's opposite.
What? What? What do you mean?
Not ramen on
I'm
katsu.
confused. Not ramen on katsu, but
Inside of katsu.
Inside.
Ramen.
Ramen inside of katsu,
Yeah.
inside a deep fried cutlet. Oh, that sounds intriguing and mysterious. All right, well, I can't wait to see how it turns out. So, should I
Let's get started.
Let's get started.
So today I'm gonna use this instant ramen. You can use any type of instant ramen. So first, break into this instant ramen half. Okay, it's half. Oh, it's boro. Like this. And I put it in this plastic bag like this. Okay, and put it aside. Next, using this powder soup, half of powder soup, put into this small dish, and add a small amount of water. I think it's enough, and mix well. Mix. Looks delicious. Delicious soup. Just dissolved powdered soup. I like this. But it's salty. Of course it's salty. Don't do this. And pour over on this instant noodles. Okay. Pour. Like this. Pour. Okay, it's okay. And shake to season this instant noodle. I think this is a very unique way. Okay, I think it's good. And set aside.
Satoshi, this actually looks very tasty to me because when I was a kid, I used to, pour some of the instant soup packet mix into my uncooked ramen in the bag.
Really?
And crumble it up and eat it like a snack, like a.
Really?
Yeah. Didn't you do that?
I haven't.
No.
No.
Really, I thought everyone did that. Yeah, and sometimes I used to put
Really?
soy sauce on it too, and it tasted really good.
Okay, next I'm gonna slice this chicken meat. I'm using chicken breast today. Of course, you can use other kind of meat. If you want pork, you can use pork. If you want to use beef is also good. But today I'm gonna use this chicken breast. In Japan, chicken breast meat is the cheapest. So, slice this meat carefully. Thinly slice. Like this. Thinly slice. Like this. Size is don't care. You don't have to care about the size. Slice. Very thinly. Like this. Of course, you can pound meat flatten, but I'm doing this way. So you can use skin, but skin is Justin's favorite. So I will keep this skin for Justin.
So, like Satoshi said, you can opt to pound the chicken to flatten it if you like. That's the way I prefer it, just because, I don't know, it's hard for me to thinly slice meat with a knife. I'm scared that I'm gonna cut my finger. But if you're like Satoshi and you're comfortable doing that, do it that way, because Satoshi says it's a lot easier. Once again, it's up to you.
Next, I'm gonna roll this ramen, instant ramen, with this chicken meat, sliced chicken meat. Isn't it interesting? Like this. So, lay some meat. So, I will roll this instant noodle with chicken slices and put this ramen on top and roll it up, roll it up like this, like this. It's okay. It's like a big piece of chicken meat. Next, coat with flour. Like this. Coat with flour. Thinly, thinly. Don't add so much. Don't add too much. Just to cover. Just to cover. Okay. Okay. Then dunk into egg wash. Like this. Don't forget to put all over this meat. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay. And coat the panko bread crumbs. So coat well. Coat well, very well. Push, push, push. Okay. It's okay.
I do have to admit that Satoshi has some of the most interesting recipes, and they usually come out pretty tasty. I gotta say, like 99% of the time they do. So I'm kind of looking forward to this. I've never seen anything like it. I mean, he stuck a whole like half a pack of instant ramen, uncooked ramen, inside the pork slices. So that's really interesting.
I only use half of instant ramen and half of chicken. I can use one more, but today I'm gonna make one block of Ramen Katsu. So I will use later. So let's heat the oil. The temperature is 160 degrees Celsius, means 320 degrees Fahrenheit.
320?
320.
So while we are waiting for the oil to heat up, I'm having a little snack. This is some what is this? This is Biscoff crackers from Delta Airlines when we flew. This is something that actually Satoshi doesn't like, so he didn't eat his. This came in a snack pack because our flight was delayed out of Singapore. I think it was delayed 3 hours.
3 hours delay.
3 hours delayed, yeah.
When I was going to Singapore, the flight was cancelled, and when I came back from Singapore, 3 hours delay.
Yes, yeah. I was really afraid that you weren't gonna make it to Singapore.
But Delta Airlines made so much effort for customer satisfaction.
They really did. They really did. I love these Biscoff biscuits. Satoshi hates them because they're cinnamony. Delicious. I'm so glad. I just found this lying around the counter right now, and I really just felt like a snack right now. As always, when I'm snacking, Justin is nearby. He's never too far away when you're eating something. Look at your smile. Alright, looks like the oil is heated up to the proper temperature. Am I right? Am I right?
Yeah. Okay, let's deep fry. Take this stuff block into, put into oil. Now it's 160 degrees Celsius. I will deep fry twice. Next time it's 180 degrees Celsius, about 350 degrees Fahrenheit.
Why would you do that?
Because I want to cook very slowly, so I'm using lower temperature. To make the color beautiful, I will fry again with high heat.
For those of you who live in Japan, what do you guys think? It feels extremely hot this year, this summer at least. Right now it's already September, and today in Tokyo it was 33 degrees Celsius. I'm not sure how hot that is in Fahrenheit. When I was in Kyoto yesterday, yes, I was in Kyoto, it was 36.5 degrees. Yesterday, and even the day before, it was 36.5 degrees. I think I kind of had heat stroke, I think, because I felt pretty bad, and it just felt so hard. I felt lethargic. I just felt like my body was overheating. It was just hot. And when I went back to the hotel, like I took a cold shower and it felt good. And Satoshi told me that's one of the signs of heat stroke or something like that. So scary stuff.
Okay, I will turn this over once. Yes. About 3 minutes one side. The meat is not so thick, so about 3 minutes is enough.
If you're watching this video, obviously you know that we have a new channel. This is TabiEats Recipes. And the reason why we did that is because we want to divide our contents into their own channel. So now it'll be easier for you to find your own recipes, TabiEats recipes all in one place. So hopefully you like the idea. If you're not already, make sure to subscribe to this channel, press that bell icon so that you're notified every time we have a new video out. We are planning to do two cooking videos every week for a while, because this is a brand new channel. Well, it is a brand new channel, really. What am I talking about? And if you didn't know already, we also have a separate channel for our food reviews called TabiEats Food Reviews, so go check that out, as well as a new live stream channel. It's called TabiEats Live. So we have 3 new channels, the live stream channel, the food review channel, as well as the cooking channel, and of course don't forget the main channel, TabiEats, for all our street food videos and all the food, the videos that we make outside.
Okay, so 6 minutes passed. So once take it out and keep on this drain and increase the temperature of oil 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Still difficult to convert. Okay, the oil become 180 degrees Celsius, and put this block into oil again.
Okay, you're gonna fry it until it's crispy.
One side, 1 minute. The sound, very appetizing for me. I love this, the oil deep frying sound. Watch carefully. Okay, turn over this block. Oh, color is nice. Really looks like katsu. Okay, it's ready. Let's take it out. And drain excess oil on the wire rack
Or paper towel, whichever you have.
Okay, then cut this block into smaller pieces. Cut. Ooh, look, inside is ramen. Looks nice. Okay, let's put on the plate. So first, I already shredded the cabbage. Shredded cabbage is necessary for katsu. I love this. Okay. Put like this. I want more at the tonkatsu shop, but today this is okay. And for katsu, lemon veg is also good. Then set the katsu on top.
So I'm genuinely surprised, and I'm genuinely looking forward to trying this out. Yeah, Satoshi.
This is all in one dish because inside is carb, outside is protein, and vegetable is the next of the block.
Right, and you also got a little bit of oil as well.
Yeah.
Right, essential oil.
Oh, nice. And outside is really crispy.
That looks so interesting. There's actually instant ramen inside here, of course, with some chicken.
Yes.
Very interesting.
Yes. So let's eat.
Okay, guys, it's taste test time.
So dip into sauce. Like
Tonkatsu
that.
sauce.
Tonkatsu sauce. いただきます.
Dozo. How is it? I am curious. Is the ramen cooked?
Yes.
Is it? Really? I was worried that it was, still going to be kind of raw.
It's not.
Really?
It's cooked.
Oh my god, I have to try a piece.
The ramen is a little bit crispy.
Yeah.
Not totally soft, but it's good. If the ramen is mushy, I don't like that.
I see. That's so interesting. Can I have a bite?
Yep.
So here we go. I dipped it into that tonkatsu sauce.
Little bit firm, but it's okay.
That is interesting. What I like about this, first of all, is that you're only using a very little meat, chicken meat on the outside, and you're using cheap ingredients on the inside, which is instant ramen. So if you're on a budget, and you're trying to make ends meet, this is a way to make your money go far. It doesn't look like it's something cheap. And it certainly tastes pretty good. I'm kind of surprised. Like you said, it's you still get the crunchiness of the ramen because it's not cooked, but it's not like totally hard or anything. Do you mind if I take a bite without any sauce? I need to try it without the sauce.
The sound is really sakutto. Do you taste ramen soy sauce?
I do. I do taste the seasoning of that ramen seasoning you put inside. I think that was like the perfect amount. If you put more, I think it'll be salty. Like, well, it is better with the sauce, but you can even eat it without the sauce, to be honest with you.
Really?
Like, this will work good in a bento. Although I think people at the office are gonna be like, what? Is that ramen katsu? But I like it.
So hope you enjoyed today's recipe. If you did, please give it a thumbs up.
Give him a thumbs up. It was his idea.
And don't forget to subscribe to our new channel.
Yes, we need, this is a new channel, guys, so we're not monetized yet. So you guys gotta help us. We need your help. Please subscribe, watch the videos, share it, like it. You know the drill.
Make sure to press the bell icon.
Yes.
Don't forget.
Very important.
Don't forget.
Very important.
So see you on next cooking video. Bye.
Bye.